Hello, I'm here again. I made a video earlier, if you check my channel, about how to know when your tire is expired, how to know when your car tire is expired. Okay, so this is my car tire. I forgot when I got this tire, but one day I decided to look around, check around my wheels to see if I'm still safe, and look what I found. You see? Look what I found. Look what I found. This is the wheel of my car. Look what I found. Can you see what I found? You see, right? So this is to actually show that my tire is bad. So I decided to check through the date to know what actually is wrong. And on getting to where they wrote the manufacturing date of this tire, I saw that my tire was manufactured in the year 2014. So please be safe. Be safe with your cars. If you've forgotten the time you bought your tires, to know when exactly your tires should expire, when you check on the body, you see something like this. Sometimes it's asterisks, you see. The last two digits will tell you the year it was manufactured. It takes tires 4 good years before they expire. So once it's 2014, you add 4 more years to it. So prior to that time, just start getting ready to change your tires. So be safe. Thank you.